Hello and welcome back to my bedroom floor. Pretty soon I'm hoping that I'll finish my room and I'll have a better filming background for you. But until then, we're on my bedroom floor, although I do have a new carpet. So, well, it's not a new carpet, but I cleaned my carpet from freshman year that I hadn't been using, and so it's a pretty comfy place to sit and hang out. Today I am taking you through two gifts that I was really proud of that I gave this Christmas, although I think they can be everyday gifts either for yourself or for people that you love. And so they're a little bit creative. I wanted to just share these things with you. One, I made a bullet journal for my mom, and so I made it completely empty, and so this is a custom bullet journal, which gives you some ideas of what you can do in your bullet journal, or that kind of thing. So it's a blank custom bullet journal, and I did 4 months so far, and then after 4 months, because it's my mom and I'm not like sending it off to someone I don't know, after 4 months she can kind of give me an idea of what she wants, what she liked, what didn't work, what did work, and so we can kind of like construct it from there. So she's really interested in starting a bullet journal. She's very creative, but didn't know where to start. So I surprised her for Christmas and started her one for herself. And then another surprise is I bought her some stickers, so that if she does decide from Playing with Kay, I'll link her Etsy shop below. But if she wanted to start kind of taking over it herself, there's just some things that'll help her get started while she's getting comfortable with brush lettering and all of that. So that will be now. I hope you enjoy. The next gift that I wanted to show you, I made for one of my very best friends here at Michigan. She turned 21 in September and just kind of had like a life change. She changed houses, she medically retired from the team, and so I knew that her life was going to be changing a little bit. But I've known like since the first 6 months I'd met her that I really wanted to make her this gift. I've always wanted to do it for somebody. And she's just like the right friend to do it for. So I made her a shop book. And so if you're not familiar with a shop book, usually on your 21st birthday, on your 21st birthday, like someone would give you a scrapbook, and like 21 of your friends will have made pages of 21 shots you're supposed to take on your 21st birthday. For those of you who aren't aware, that's unhealthy. And a little bit scary, and I value Brittany's life. So I kind of adapted it to kind of fit our lifestyle more, and just did 21 drinks for her 21st year. And I wanted to give it to her more as like a later gift, so I just gave it to her last night, because like I wanted her housemates to be involved, and just to kind of hit like every frame of her life, and like so that when she looks back on it, it's people that were really influential around the time she turned 21. So with all that being said, I gave that to her. And so instead of like having everybody construct the pages, because I'm a bit anal and I wanted them to all look the same, I just had her friends send in photos and like messages for some of them and things like that, so that I could fill the book and make it unique. And yeah, so the final product is what you're about to see now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that one or both of these ideas inspired you for gift ideas, for birthdays, for Mother's Day, for Father's Day. I think it's a really fun idea to do something that requires like a lot of effort, even if they're not like, that wasn't a super expensive venture, and you can do it at a lower scale. I mean, obviously I do everything at like 110 miles an hour. So, but I just think that putting thought into it, especially for people that really are important in your life and really do care about you, is really fun and a great thing to do. So I wanted to share that with you, hopefully for inspiration for ideas of your own. If you have any comments, any questions, anything you'd like to see me try or you'd like to hear more about, just leave it in the comments down below and I will be sure to get to that. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Wednesday and hopefully also every Friday this semester. And like this video if you liked what it was about. Leave me a comment down below and I hope to see you in my next video somewhere on my channel. Bye.